Good morning once again. Today we are to start our second lesson from Gmail. That's how to use email platforms. Okay, so quick overview of what we have learned. We just learned the the definition of social media. Then again, we learn the impact of social media on our daily lives. And again, we learn the categories of what social media. So we said you have what three categories of social media. That's the video sharing platform, you have the photo sharing platform, and message or what network sharing what platform. Okay. So today we are going to take one part of the category, that's the message or network sharing platform. Okay, so email is what? The method of sending and receiving what message through the internet from one device to another. So the method of what sharing or what sending and receiving information through internet from one device to another, that's what email. And it allows users to communicate using what? Text, image, um, documents, and other parts with the help of what the attachment feature in email. So email is the sending and receiving message through the internet from the device to another. Please, okay. We have Gmail, we have Yahoo Mail, and we have what Outlook what email. So these are what the examples of email. in Then again, we have features in what emails. So a lot of features are built in what email that help us to facilitate or it help us to access the email. So one, we are going to talk about what the sender and what recipient. The sender and the recipient. This sender and recipient feature help you to send and receive what information from another um, um, email user. And again, we have subject line. Subject line. So this subject line gives you the overview, the brief overview of what the message content. So here we have what a brief description of what the message content. And again, we have the attachment feature. That's I've already want to talk about it, but let's emphasize on that because it is really nice. Yeah. So attachment feature. So the attachment feature help you to add. It help you to what? Add documents. It help you to add images. It help you to add PDFs and those. So if you want to send image, send documents and those on to another email user, then you are going to use what the attachment feature. And then again, email have inbox and what outbox. And this inbox outbox help you to receive and send what um it help you to receive images. So that the place where you receive images is called, and the place where you receive you send image, that folder that help you to send outbox. And then again, we have what the address book. When we say the address book, the address book stores the content information for easy what access. So if you want to access the content information easily, then you're going to use what the address book. Then let's talk about the steps in attaching a document to email. The steps of attaching a document to email. One, you have to click on the compose. So as we said earlier, in fact, computer deals with what? Computer deals with algorithm. That's what the step by. So everything in a computer supposed to be what by step. So one step two. Let's say step one to step five. You get it. So you have to what follow sequences. So step one, you have to what click on compose. Then so this is what compose feature. You have to click on compose. Then again, Step two, you have to enter with the recipient address. Enter the recipient address. So you have one feature called the inbox. So the inbox, that's what the the inbox, that's what the feature that contain what the content of the or the is what the folder that contain the content of your message. You get, then you click on what attach. So this attach feature help you to what send and receive. It help you to what send a document to that of what the user. So this was the attach feature here. Then again, you click on the file. So you select the file. So then after that, you click on send. So this is what the steps in what email. Okay, so this is our last slide for the day. So our last slide for the day, we are going to see the uses of what the use of email address book. When you say email address book is a collection of contact, what contact. So a future built in email that is responsible for collection of what contact. So including their email address, if, including their names and other hot relevant details. And this address book help you to store contacts, quick access contacts, and what message contacts. So we have the uses of it. We use it to what store contact information. I've said it. We use it to what quick access what contact. So it helps us to what access contact easily. Then again, we can use the address book to what to group or to categorize what email what um email messages or yeah email messages. Please do get it. So this will be um our last slide for the day. So you continue next time. Thank you.